Okay, so I was just setting up a few things. Just to confirm karo if you can hear me. Outside. Okay, great. So let me just start off my screen to present for it. Okay, here I go. All right. So the last few classes we were discussing about some very preliminary aspects of the internet, and today whatever you are seeing on the screen, we are going to formally start karibu jaha important concepts achi. As you can see on slide re, is we'll talk about the so we will talk about the introduction to the internet. So ଟିକେ ଏଥିରେ ଆମେ ଟିକେ ତାର internet ର history ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହବା, and then we'll talk about the internet protocols. I remember first ଯେବେ ଆମେ class ନେଇଥିଲୁ, one of you ଗୋଟେ question ଗୋଟେ ପଚାରୁଥିଲୁ କି IP address ସାଙ୍ଗରେ internet ର କ'ଣ link ଅଛି. So ଏଇ particular class ରେ ଆମର ଯେତେଟା slides ଅଛି ଆ ଭିତରେ we will ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବା କି relation ଟା କ'ଣ. Okay, and a relation ଟା ଜାଣିଲା ପରେ we will be able to understand ଆମେ କ'ଣ we need to know about the internet. Okay, so let me start off. A tintaku have divided into these three parts. Initially, we'll focus on the historical aspect. कौन ହେଇଥିଲା during the initial parts of the internet. तापर हम कथा हबा ए वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब विषय. And if you remember, ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ तुमको କହିଛି that there is a difference between the internet and the world wide web. So internet is the interconnection of networks, whereas the world wide web is the actual information system. Okay, so Amita we will spend some time on that. And the third one is Amikatha about HTTP protocol. HTTP whenever we write in the google.com to facebook.com HTTP or HTTPS gets added. So a hypertext transfer protocol we will talk about in detail after talking about all of this. Okay, so coming to the introduction to the internet, we will start off. As you know, internet is the interconnection of networks. So it can be arambala. Okay. All right. So ଏଠି ତମେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରିବା the internet history ବିଷୟରେ. So ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହେଲା US ର ଗୋଟେ Department of Defense ଅଛି, and they call it as the DOD, Department of Defense. ଆଉ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ research wing ଅଛି, ତା ନାମ ଅଛି Advanced Research Projects Agency or ARPA. ହେଲା, ଆଉ in short ଆକୁ we sometimes they call it as the DARPA, Department of Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. So ARPANET is it was initiated a project to support the Department of Defense for computer network. So initially history of computers that a computer both bulky machines both bada machine. Basically a mobile phone is as powerful. Okay, but at that point of time they had computers used to take up huge rooms. So tankara target is they are going to connect. They are going to connect the various networks. Okay, they're going to connect the various computers into the networks. Okay. So what happened was the project Arambala 1960 re, okay, 1960s re, and our target thila to connect or electronically connect the researchers to experiments, okay, and develop tools for heterogeneous computer network. कौन कौन आ रहा प्रोजेक्ट कौन माने कौन अचीव କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ? They were trying to connect. Okay, so let's change the color over here. So they were trying to connect, okay, which is very important. Electronically connect. This also is important. Electronically connect the researchers and develop tools. Okay, develop tools for this also is very important. Heterogeneous computer network. आजिकली तुम जानिଛ that ଆମ ପାଖରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ା mobile phones ଅଛି. Someone is using a Samsung phone, someone is using LG, someone is using uh, like Oppo or MI, जोटा भी they are using various different devices. So the project was, so you can imagine at that point of time, जहाँ भी हमारा computers चला, they were working in different operating systems. अलग अलग तांकर system चला. So the idea was to connect all of them together. So a word heterogeneous, दुईटा term of homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous you could think of in simple terms. Homogeneous माने समान. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ୱିଣ୍ଡୋଜ୍ ଅଛି କି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଲିନକ୍ସ ଅଛି ହେଲା, ସୋ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ଅପରେଟିଂ ସିଷ୍ଟମ, ବଟ୍ ଏଇଟା ଏଇଟା ତେବେ ନଥିଲା, ତ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର, ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ତାଙ୍କର ଅପରେଟିଂ ସବୁ ଅଲଗା ଥିଲା, ସେଥିଲାଗି ତାଙ୍କୁ କନେକ୍ଟ କରିବାର ଥିଲା as well as to develop tools. 1969 ରେ, so it was achieved 4 computers at 4 sites running 4 operating systems. So चारटा computer, it all began with 4 computers. So there were 4 computers in 4 different sites. माने चारटा अलग अलग city रे, चारटा अलग city रे, and all of them were interconnected to each other. Okay, each of them was connected to each other over here. Can anyone tell me 1969 famous year अच्छे की तुम जानी चाहिए 1969 विषय any particular event से वर्ष से हेतला ए भी कोई करियो 1969 कहीं की famous, just have a guess, just guess करो कौन है 1969, कुछ भी guess करो, anything related, I mean like कौन है 1969, anybody? अच्छा, if you know, then देखिए again this is a bit of a history and a general knowledge uh, question जाने बताओ, huh? So 1969 mission on moon. So the very first mission Apollo 11, Apollo 11 गोटे US mission थिला that was attempting to land man on moon. No. So 1969 re, July 16 to 24 1969 re, so this was achieved. So man was landing on. So he linked up just history. You should know about this. So a moon mission को successful have a computer networking was a very important step. Okay? Because तांकर जो research होतला सेटा गोटे जगह थिला जोठी launch site थिला rocket रो सेठी आ गोटे जगह थिला आ scientists there अलगा scientists माने अलगा जगह थिले. So it was very important. Okay, it was very important कि a सबू माने sites को it had to be connected. So this was the beginning of the internet. Okay, and initially, as you see, it thila Department of Defense by So mainly for defense research ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା, but slowly ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା କି in 1983 113 nodes ମାନେ you can think of them as computers itself. Okay, so 113 computers at universities ଆଉ organization जो माने DOD संगरे research करथिले. DOD हमन कोन हम देखले डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस. So डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस संगरे जो माने research करथिले तांको they were connected. So आगरु कोन थिला हमर ARPANET थिला, then came out the MILNet which connected all of them together. ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ୟୁଏସ୍ ର ଅନ୍ୟ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ବି ଏଇ ଇଣ୍ଟରକନେକ୍ସନ ଆସିଲା. ସୋ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଆସିଲା ସୁରାନେଟ୍ ହେଲା. So Suranet ରେ again you had some more ଆଉ କେତେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିଜ୍ କନେକ୍ଟ ହେଲେ. ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା CSF net or NSF. So ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ନେଟୱାର୍କ. ଓକେ, सो एटा सब नेटवर्क थिला. सो धीरे धीरे जो यूनिवर्सिटी माने डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस संगे काम करथिल तांको पय ओपन थिला. Then it was open to all the universities that were not working on the Department of Defense. So basically scientific research ପାଇଁ ସେଟା open ହେଲା. On your scientific research ପାଇଁ ବି it opened up at that moment. So say ARPANET ଆଉ MILNet रे कौन what was available. So the first thing as you can see is email. Email was available in ARPANET in 1972. So just imagine email is such an old technology that you are using. Even though अबे बहुत गुड़ा था संगरे additional benefits associated. Agru, I think people could only send written content. One जहाँ माने words की letters सेटा पठे पारतुले. आजिकली तुम जाने छो हमें attachment पठे पारुचु, video, audio बहुत गुड़ा attachment पठे पारुचु, तब formatting करी पारुचु. In the sense जहाँ हमें mail रे लिखुचु that you can make bold, italic, एटे सब हमें करी पारुचु. आगुरु सेटा it was simply text. हला text की numbers तक हमें पठातु. And along with email, you also had FTP, SMTP, a protocol गुड़ा हमें इटा पढ़िबु detail रे. So FTP, SMTP, so some of these protocols also emerged. So ये जो FTP, SMTP, सब TCP/IP ऊपर based है. ना? So जहाँ भी हमें करूँ, whether you talk about HTTP, FTP, SMTP, जहाँ भी हमें पढ़िबु or whatever protocols that are important for the internet technology, everything is based upon the TCP/IP protocol. TCP माने Transmission Control Protocol, IP माने Internet Protocol. Okay, it मने रखिबो. We'll come back to these protocols again. Okay, so ये जो TCP/IP रो what was the work? The work was to host host Okay. There were some problems with my system. Are you able to see my screen? Just confirm once again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, all right.
Sir.
All right. तो हम continue करें. So, हमें कथा होतलु the starting of the internet. We saw that with the advent of the ARPA project, ARPANET, we began with the Department of Defense. That this was the first project. So what it did was it connected 4 computers at 4 different sites, cities, 4 different cities, and this were running 4 different operating systems. So this was the initial thing over here. After MILNet, which was connecting only universities or other organizations, the Department of Defense it connected. And then we had the Suranet and the NSF net. So Olga universities, DOD sangre kaam karunatile tanku bhi they added to the internet over here. And then we saw that the email technology was available on the ARPANET. Apart from the email, ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଥିଲା FTP ର କାମ ହଉଛି to transfer files between hosts ହେଲା file transfer protocol ଥିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ mail send କରିବା ପାଇଁ SMTP. So the email जो पठा होतला was sent through the SMTP protocol over here. So ये जहाँ भी टेक्नोलॉजी ईमेल है FTP SMTP जहाँ भी अच्छी was based on the TCP/IP. हमें कौन देखिलो TCP/IP is the transmission control protocol. Now the internet protocol. So 2 different protocols that were used for exchange of information. कहाँ भीतर between the hosts. है जो भी हमारा computers तला से network भीतर तांको भीतर to interact to send file email जहाँ भी करियो पे TCP/IP was used. I want an important agents positive modern connection. So initially, because it was Olga city, so what you wanted was there should be some sort of connection. So basically, I'm not sure that they use on a phone, telephone sangre, landline, not mobile phone. Telephone sangre, I want a device as to modem. Modem is modulation, demodulation. तार काम थला कि signal convert करेगा, तो हम computer signal convert करेगा in such a way कि तुम्हारे से telephone line through रो से जाई परियो, telephone line through रो जाई परियो, और जहाँ पे data आसेगा that will be again converted और तुम्हें computer को देखी परियो. So the concept of modem came over here. So तापरे आउट प्रॉब्लम थिला at that point of time was जहाँ पे internet use होतला was equal to long distance calls. I don't know आजकल हमें कहाँ को भी call करी पारुଛୁ, but at one point of time हमारो थिला difference थिला ଗୋଟେ local call और ଗୋଟେ long distance call. ताको कहा जाउतला बोलते STD call. So local call पे हम कौन करथिलो local हमारो city भीतर we used to call और 6 digit की 7 digit number हम phone रे tap करके directly call करती हूँ. But suppose you had to call someone, तुम जागर भुवनेश्वर को call करोगे जो भी call करो, तो हम कौन add करते हैं 0674 add करके you are adding to thing. तो कौन होता है every time जब internet use होता है it was equal to a long distance call. तुम जाने से call rate आजकल call rate बहुत कम है, but at one point of time जो STD call थिला और distance call थिला was expensive. So जब भी internet browse होतला, the expense was a problem, or the cost of accessing the internet was always a issue over there. So it has some problems थिला initial period of time. तापरे the concept came कि leased telephone lines use कराएगा, माने जहाँ existing telephone wires सब अच्छी, beyond that we'll use leased telephone lines माने सही telephone line रे खाली internet ପାଇଁ ही use हो, ଆଉ କିଛି use होने से. So that was the purpose of it. So leased telephone lines for dedicated use. So खाली से internet, but it is costly. So this was the initial problem. So कौन है modem दरकार पड़ता long distance call होता how dedicated telephone line was very expensive. Obviously तापर बहुत बड़ा technological advancement है लोग developed a lot of different things. तापर there came up the concept of supercomputing centers. माने supercomputing centers माने जो गोटे जगह रे जो थी बहुत powerful computers रखा होता on which अन्य माने remotely log in कर पाते माने suppose we are connected remotely हम एटी भुवनेश्वर बस तुम घर सब बस similarly I could sit मु गोटे जगह बस I could access गोटे powerful computer मु access करके मोर data मोर कुछ experiment run करिवार अछि मु सेमती करि पारथि. So in 1985 the concept of supercomputing centers came up here. And जब एटा establish होला गोटे concept आसला backbone गोटे concept आसला backbone. Can anyone tell about this backbone? Backbone sir, where is this term used? Backbone sir. One place where you would have heard of backbone is the bit of biology तुम आगु पढ़ी छो तुमरो कौन nervous system तुम brain संगे तुमरो connect अच्छे spinal cord कुतरी जाए backbone रही जाए. So backbone is such a place तुमरो head रू तुमरो waist जाए सेटा जाए. So what happens is सेटू चारियाड तुमरो को तुमरो nerves जाए है ना. So that's माने it is basically the central link. So सही बढ़िया कौन है throughout US there was one single backbone. So गोटे main जमती तुम्हारा रास्ता विसरे को भाभी दे हमारे तो कौन है national highways अच्छे state highway. So गोटे central national highway जो our national highway रो छोटा road will go to different cities, different villages. So here also we had this concept of backbone, how other networks could interconnect to that synchronously. So samane say made backbone ko connect. The original backbone speed was 56 kbps. Hala ए 56 kbps thile ebe to amara ei zoom class bhi hai pare. So it was so slow at one point of time. But still that was the initial speed. We had 1988 we had speeds up to 1.5 Mbps. Actually, on our phone we are getting that speed 5 Mbps and we get on our phone itself. Different technologies, T1, T3, but etc. technologies of hustle. Optical fibers. So we got optical fibers due to the technology was different. Normal copper wire network so established optical fiber. So we will not go into that aspect. Just technology what technology was used for the internet initially. So copper wires use which was not very efficient, like basic data rate with our also we have optical fiber both high speed internet we can get. So so this was the history in the US how the different how internet आसिला अन्य देश मान को भी अन्य नेटवर्क सब था 1988 in Canada and France there was internet it was connected to the NSF net. So different countries they had their own network. They start getting connected to each other. So that's how the internet came up. So for the next 7 years it existence 10 or new countries were added per year. Slowly every year set up add. In 1990 ARPANET was decommissioned. ARPANET was the first project. So 1969 man on moon. So that time the project arambha hoitila. So almost 20 years after that 20 years for एटा बंद हला decommission हला and initially internet was precisely always used for research purpose ପାଇଁ use होतला ସେଥିଲାଗି ସେ ବହୁତ limited ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା only researchers ଆଉ collaborating laboratories universities department of defense ସେମାନେ use କରୁଥିଲେ but after 1990 you had commercial traffic allowed. So commercial traffic means the company अलग company माने आसले ସେମାନେ भी use କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ ଏଇ internet. 1990 again is a very famous year. ତମମାନେ ଶୁଣିଥିବ I don't know if you have heard of the Gulf War. Gulf War happened in the Middle East, Iraq, US ଭିତରେ ହେଇଥିଲା. So lot of both situations ଏମିତି ଆସିଲା due to which commercial traffic was allowed on the internet. So you not only had research data, you also had what to say news, or you had other things also coming on the internet. And because commercial traffic allowed, you had faster growth. Okay, lot more people started using the internet. So some pictures, let's see. So this is the initial NSF net. You can see US initial network established. You can see over there. So before I conclude, maybe definition what is the internet. If you look for definitions, but this again at a Wikipedia if you get a good definition, do use that. But I felt that this is very simple to understand. So basically, what is the internet? It's a computer network consisting of worldwide network of computer networks. So it is basically it is a network of networks. Okay, it is a network of networks. How it use it uses the TCP/IP. It uses the TCP/IP network to facilitate data transmission and exchange over there. Okay, so it uses TCP/IP to facilitate data transmission and exchange. So our duita important point it's a network of networks and it uses TCP/IP. Another very important thing is that there is no ownership of it. Every network is independent. Every country's network is independent. Our Indian network is independent. It is provided by service provider. The Jio provide Airtel, Vodafone, so on provide ISP. They provide BSNL is providing the internet. But there is absolutely no control. China, US, we don't know anything about that. So there is no ownership. Everybody owns a slice of the internet. So we own the Indian component, this one. And there is no central administration also. Centrally connect करते हमें खाली filters हमें कोई बारी नहीं हमें एक country पे एक data allow करो so these things that few things हमारे साथे control करते हैं. It's a community of people who use and develop the networks. Okay, so there is no precise definition use for it, because now you know almost everyone is accessing the internet. Okay, and so you can call a collection of resources that can be reached from those networks. Both some access for it. Okay, it is a setup to facilitate collaboration. Okay, obviously connect also through the internet. Zoom class we are doing online classes, we are doing some research, we are doing some education. And the connected networks use the TCP/IP. It initially noted definition. So at least at the end of this class, what you can do is remember this definition. It's a network of networks, or a worldwide network of computer networks that use TCP/IP for doing data transmission and exchange over here. ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ଗ୍ରାଫ ଦେଖିବା ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ନେଇଛି 2019 ରେ obviously 2020 ରେ ତ ଆମର କୋଭିड ସିଚୁଏସନ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଥିଲା. So this is how internet has grown. Okay, ei internet heitala. So eita slide re tama dekhi parutho. So 1990 रे मु कहली ARPANET was decommissioned, commercial traffic allowed hela. So 1991 रे बहुत जिंस आरंभ हला हमर www हमर world wide web ता बिसरे पढिबु. So world wide web was started in 1990. So world wide web आसिला सेतिरे तापरे हमर तमे कंपनी ना सुनितबो Amazon initially ei time रे आरंभ हला. eBay भी आ गोटे कंपनी थिला. सो ए कंपनी .com कंपनी सब आरंभ हला. yahoo.com, amazon.com, ebay.com हला. So एथरे कौन समन करते ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग जिंस इंट्रोड्यूस्ड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. और बहुत गुड टेक्नोलॉजीज भी एठी आसिला. ब्राउजर एटा मोजाक नेटस्केप नाविगेटर आ बिसरे हम पढिबा करे. So एटा सब आसिला. Then what happened was 1998 ପରେ ଅନ୍ୟ websites ସବୁ ଆସିଲା. We had Google. Google basically we use it a lot, but in 1998 we or 98 99 ଆମର google.com Google ପରେ we had Wikipedia, Skype, ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଆମର ତାପରେ ଆସିଛି. ଆଉ the concept of Wi-Fi ଆଗରୁ ଆମର କଣ ହଉଥିଲା, we were using the LAN networks. So ବଡ଼ computers ଥିଲା, computers cables use करके हमारे internet में होता है. The concept of Wi-Fi, the concept of broadband, Wi-Fi broadband ये concept भी हमारा सब आसिला. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ important ଜିନିଷ ଏଠି ହେଲା, the company ଆସିଲା PayPal ଗୋଟେ company that allows money transfer, okay, online money transfer. So a concept we came in 99-2000. So almost 10 years for a concept सब आसिला. And तो मैं देखी बार तो बेटे Facebook पे लिखा है कि Facebook was in 2004. Skype initially तो there was no Zoom or Meet, it was Skype. Through Skype people could connect on the internet रे लोगों ने into face to face କଥା है कि they were able to use the internet as well. We had Skype, Facebook आसिला तापरे 2006 रे you had YouTube हला, our Twitter तापरे आसिची 2008 रे. So do check out this slide. It's a very important माने बहुत गुडे important concepts रे अछि. Especially social web एटा हम देखि पाछो. It was initially read only web, माने जहा was created, what was created scientists माने कि जो कंपनी माने जस्ट जहा बनौथिले लोक सेति के पढुथिले. तापरे 1998 पर आसला read and write web माने. So basically along with reading existing information जहा आगरु थिला ताकू पढिबा संगरे you could also write, माने तमे भी फॉर्म सेमति हम फिल अप करछु, सेमति फॉर्म रो कांसेप्ट आसला. हम फॉर्म फिल अप करि परछु ऑनलाइन एंड देन सेंड इट बैक. 2005 पर you can think of this as the social network बोली गोटे concept आसिला, and people started using that very widely. Facebook, Twitter, बहुत गुडा जिंस आसिला. And then you can see in 2010 हमर Google Chrome आसिला, Uber हला, Instagram, Snapchat एटा सब बहुत almost latest. ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରାଫ ରେ ଏଠି ତମେ ଦେଖି ପାରୁଥିବ ଲାଇନ ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଅଛି. ବ୍ଲୁ ଲାଇନ ଇଜ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ ଏଟା ଏଇ ଲାଇନ ଟା ଦେଖଉଛି କେତେ ୟୁଜର୍ସ ବଢିଲେ. ସୋ ଇନିशियली 1998 ଯାଏ ବହୁତ କମ ୟୁଜର୍ସ ଥିଲେ, ବଟ ଦେଖ ସ୍ଲୋଲି 1998 ପରେ ଦି ଗ୍ରାଫ ଇଜ ପୁରା ଏକ୍ସପୋନେንशियल. କେତେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡା ଲୋକ ଏବେ ଆସିଲେ. ସୋ ଲଟ୍ ଅଫ ପିପଲ ଆର୍ ଏबल ଟୁ ଆକ୍सेस, इवन दो maybe at least in India internet reach by there is a lot of problem because network issue always someone karo hochi. कोटे भी all the places को जाइनी भलो भाबरे बहुत लोक बहुत बड़ा चेष्टा चले जानती to enter the internet, even though it am course भितर नाही, but these are some issues that are also important for us. So the number of people using the internet has increased. The concept of smartphone has emerged. Agro phone was confined only for calls, but now phone is basically a replacement of your computer, sort of. And even though our website browse kariba pe we had to go to a internet by jautulu, but basically phone re bhi we are able to do all sorts of things. So make sure that you go through this graph. It's a very good माने summary तुमको ये मिली पारे वो तुमने जान पारे वो Twitter देखी पारे जो broadband so basically line पड़ा देखी पारे जो एक ऐसे I would say it's a very nice slide is social media केमती हमारा growth है जी across till 2019 है ना so again smartphones हमें देखी पारे smartphones 2014 पर experienced Facebook 2005 you can see the number of users बहुत बड़ा user है आजकल बहुत लोग Facebook पे use करते हैं somehow इठी मु Instagram भी Instagram भी अच्छी I have not put TikTok and all so say video sharing sites Vine TikTok ये भी सारे मुझे पे जाए कि लेकिन but they are also a very important concept a very important portion of the web. So anyway, so do check out all of these things. So with this, I will finish. Okay, zero class at stop. We basically looked into the origins of the internet, the history of the internet, and what is it. Okay, and the various phases or how internet has grown, and what is social media. And Kali, I'll be taking a class. I think Dave Sir's class at it. So we will have a look at the basic internet protocol. So all of whatever I've done till now was very conceptual things. Do make sure that you go through all of that. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start about the technical aspects or how the internet protocol how do the computers connect to each other and once our networking concept clear out then only we will start about the web okay, world wide web and then talk about the HTTP protocols. So with this let me stop ଆଉ କାହାର କିଛି question ଅଛି କିଛି ପଚାରିବାର ଅଛି